Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new 3-seater velvet couch. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and actually take a look at it. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys how quick and easy it is to set up. Everything comes pretty neatly packed and the instructions were super straightforward. It comes with all the tools that you need, but I did use my drill just to speed it up a bit. As I'm putting it together, you can already feel the material is solid. The velvet fabric is soft and smooth to the touch. The frame is solid. The frame is solid wood, and it feels sturdy right out of the box. It's supposed to hold up to 1,050 pounds, which is wild for a couch this sleek. What I really appreciate is how the storage section is built in underneath the seat. It's hidden but super easy to lift. It's perfect for stashing extra blankets or stuff you don't want cluttering the space. Also, it has built-in charging ports, a USB and Type-C, which I haven't had on a couch before. That's a really nice touch, especially if you're like me and always forgetting where you left your charger or always using your device. All right, and here's how it looks fully built. The whole thing took about maybe 20-30 minutes tops. Check out the finish. The velvet looks really nice and feels even better. It's breathable, skin friendly, and doesn't trap heat like some other cheaper fabric couches do. And I'm loving that cloud couch vibe. The cushions are high density foam with a pocket coil system underneath, so it's soft but still supported. You do have to give it about 48 hours so they can completely get their shape, but other than that, they still look really nice. Here's a look at the piano key design on the side panel. Super modern, and it adds some personality without being too flashy. It's subtle but makes the whole piece feel more elevated. Another thing I love, it is a built-in cup holder. Simple but super useful if you're binge watching shows or working from the couch. And all of the seat and pillow covers, they're removable and washable, so if you've got pets or kids, it's easy to keep it clean. Now that I've had time to sit with it, literally, it's one of the most comfortable couches I've owned. It has that soft sink-in feeling, but you don't feel like you're getting swallowed up. The lumbar support is great for long sitting sessions too. I've already been using the USB-C port, as you can see, to charge my phone while watching something else on TV, and having that right next to me instead of across the room is a game changer. As you can see, I use a hidden storage to toss in a blanket and some other items. I love that it keeps the space clutter-free without sacrificing style. The couch is definitely a win for small spaces or for anyone who wants a functional comfort and a little luxury without a crazy price tag. What really surprised me was how well it fit into the space without feeling bulky. It got a clean, compact footprint, but it still feels roomy enough to stretch out and have a few friends over. Whether you're in an apartment, office, or just want something stylish for your main living area, it blends in without taking over the room. One thing to note, the couch does come in a few different color options, so you can match it to your space, whether you're going for something neutral or a bold pop of color. The velvet finish gives every shade a rich, elevated look, and that sleek design makes it easy to pair with modern glam or even minimal decor styles. So if you guys are looking for a new velvet couch, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend. And if you guys found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel.